Pretty little thing training. Baby was sleeping, so I was going to do some yoga, meditate. However, baby woke up and now we have coffee.
Okay, Google, play the same song on the next one in kitchen.
Okay, locked away from YouTube music. Playing on kitchen speaker.
I can tell.
Alrighty, we got a table for the husband. He's making a theater room in the house. Lighting, soundbar, new TV, 85-inch Sony. And yeah, trying to get a delivery going. Courtesy of Mother Care. Alrighty, getting some jam. I want blueberry, but my husband likes raspberry, not raspberries, but like mixed berries. This looks like cranberry for Thanksgiving, but I don't know what cranberry it is in Swedish. Got some of these. Alright. Zarahome. Hello. Hey boy. Those are gorgeous. And these are gorgeous. So cute. Such a nice pop of color in a house. Wow. Alright, these lights are to die for. I need a kitchen or a grand living room for it. My house is quaint, but we'll see what happens. So cute. If they were bigger, I'd get them. Alright, baby wants to go to Starbucks. Since becoming a mother, not a wifey, a mother, I'm into these things. When we have breakfast and whatnot, iced coffees, not sure. Of course I need this mug in my life. I like plain white mugs. Espresso. Oh, this is the most perfect bowl. These blue bowls are gorgeous. With the matching plates, if I can look at them all. Wow. This is what I need in my life. Morning coffee, incense. Fresh cut grass. Oh goodness. Coffee or grass? Salted caramel does not look that nice, but oh, too strong. Ah, baba. Oh, this one smells so good. Oh, mommy, you hungry? You tired? I have to video this. What are you looking for? Creamer, please.
هذا مو ما ده يحط سيرب ها؟
No.
بس-
How much did you put?